Okay, alright, so today we are making naan bread. So I have active dry yeast, I have sugar, salt, butter, fairly warm milk, hot water, 1.5 cup, that's like 105 Fahrenheit, between 5 and 10, and 3 cups of loosely packed white flour. And then I have some extra just in case, and to roll it around and everything. And this is where we are going to make the yeast active, so we can start in a few minutes. Let's put a few of these things away until we need them. Butter can wait, sugar can wait, no, sugar has to be here, salt can wait, and this is the warm water and the milk and the sugar. So this is how it goes. Let me see, 3 cups of white flour. So I will take 2 tablespoons full of active dry yeast. I will add 1 tablespoon full of sugar, and then I'm going to add just enough water to dissolve the yeast. So what I'm going to do is to mix the yeast. I can already smell it. Thing with the yeast is that yeast loves to feed on the sugar, so this will happen fairly fast. Let me cover it. I'm going to cover it with the wrap for just a few minutes. Okay. You can see the yeast is nice and ready now. This is how you know the yeast is working. You see the little bubbles forming, and it's dissolved, making it well in the middle of the flour. Okay. Let me put that away. Okay. First goes in the yeast, right in the middle. Let's put that away. Then I'm going to use the milk. Let me take the plastic off. Okay, slowly, I'm going to add that milk. A little more. Okay, let's put the whole thing back. After adding the milk, I'm slowly adding the water now. At this point, we can add the salt, like 1 teaspoon. That should be enough. Yep. In the beginning, it has to be a sticky dough. See how sticky it is? Okay. So I have the milk and the yeast and the sugar, water and salt in it now. I'm not adding the butter right now. Nice, huh? Okay. I smell the yeast. It smells nice. Okay, time to take the dough out. I'm going to clean the board and then start the camera. A generous amount of flour on the board. So I'm going to drop this dough in it. See how sticky the dough is? It's beautiful. Okay. Now I'm going to fold it. Fold, fold, fold. Fold. It's nice and fluffy already. I'm loving the dough. See? It's nice and fluffy. Okay. Now this dough needs to rest. Probably a little more folding. Fold it, fold it, fold it, fold, fold. We add a little more flour to it. Okay. Again, fold, 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 fold. Now it's getting nice and firm. So you move it like this for the bottom because you want the bottom to be together. All right, this is going to sit now. Okay, now putting some butter in the bottom. This butter is on room temperature, so I greased it. I have it on my hands. I have some more. I have milk in there, but I also want it to be buttery. So there, you see that? There used to be a time that I thought making the bread or the naan was the most difficult thing in the world, and I was afraid that I would never be able to do it. But once you start playing around with the dough, believe me, it gets easier every time you do it. Okay, now we are going to let the dough sit. It will rise double to its size. Then we will take it from there. Before I do that, I have to put some plastic on it, like this. Seal it. Okay. And I will cover it with the towel, so keep the temperature going. There you go. It's going to sit there for 45 minutes. It's resting now, nicely covered.